Welcome, let's talk about how you can make money in 2025 with AI. If you haven't liked, subscribed, or comment, now is a great time. In the fast-paced world of AI, the opportunities are vast and varied. One compelling avenue is the integration of AI tools into your daily routine, transforming mundane tasks into efficient processes. Start by selecting an AI tool that resonates with your specific goals, whether it's enhancing writing speed, improving design quality, or automating customer interactions. As you become familiar with these tools, experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. The more you explore, the more innovative solutions you'll discover that can significantly boost your productivity and creativity, ultimately leading to greater success in your AI-driven endeavors. In step 1 of building a successful AI-powered income stream, consider the potential of automated blogging. Utilizing ChatGPT, you can effortlessly produce comprehensive articles on topics that captivate your target audience. Imagine writing about the latest trends in health, technology, finance, or any niche that ignites your passion. By selecting relevant and engaging subjects, you can attract a steady stream of visitors to your blog. As those viewers interact with your posts, you'll have the opportunity to earn through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even sponsored content, allowing your blog to flourish into a lucrative venture. If you are new to blogging, setting up your website is surprisingly straightforward. Platforms like WordPress offer customizable templates that allow you to establish a professional-looking blog in mere minutes. Choose a theme that aligns with your niche, and customize it to reflect your personality and brand. It's essential to ensure your design is both attractive and user-friendly, as this will encourage longer visits and more engagement from your audience. Be sure to integrate social sharing buttons, enabling easy dissemination of your content across various platforms. By focusing on aesthetics and usability, your blog will draw in curious readers and keep them coming back for more. To further enhance the appeal of your blog, make sure you implement effective SEO strategies. Utilize tools like Yoast SEO on WordPress to analyze and optimize your content for search engines. This includes choosing relevant keywords strategically placed throughout your posts, crafting compelling meta descriptions, and ensuring your images have alt text. A well-optimized blog post will rank higher on search engines, increasing visibility and drawing in organic traffic. Building a loyal audience takes time, but by consistently delivering valuable content and optimizing your site, you'll create a sustainable income through your AI-generated blog. The journey doesn't stop with blogging. Let's dive into the realm of faceless YouTube channels. To get started, select a captivating niche that sparks your interest, whether it's travel, tech reviews, or personal finance tips. With your niche determined, the next step is to leverage AI tools, especially ChatGPT, to generate compelling scripts for your videos. This ensures your content is not only engaging but also informative. Remember, the beauty of faceless channels is that you can focus solely on delivering value through quality content without the need for on-camera presence. As you produce videos that resonate with your audience, you'll build a loyal viewership eager for more. Next, you'll want to create engaging thumbnails for your videos to capture viewers' attention. Use design tools like Canva, which is excellent for crafting eye-catching visuals with AI assistance. Simply choose a template that aligns with your video content, customize the text and images, and voila! A professional-looking thumbnail ready to entice clicks. However, don't stop there. Optimizing your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords will enhance your searchability on YouTube, inviting even more traffic to your channel over time. With every upload, you'll be honing your strategy, adapting to audience feedback, and strengthening your online presence. Finally, take the plunge into creating service-based businesses that leverage the power of AI. Start by identifying a specific set of services you can offer, such as digital marketing, web design, or remote client support. With tools like ChatGPT, you can create personalized marketing materials and content that will resonate with your target market. Once you've defined the services you plan to offer, you'll need to develop a unique selling proposition to differentiate yourself from competitors. This foundational step is key to establishing trust and reliability, which will ultimately attract clients looking for solutions that suit their needs. As you embark on your AI-powered business journey, remember the importance of market research. Understanding your potential clients' needs will guide you in tailoring your services effectively. Utilize AI-driven analytics tools to gain insights into industry trends, customer behavior, and competitor strategies. This information will empower you to make informed decisions regarding your service offerings and marketing approaches. Moreover, by continuously evaluating and adjusting your strategies based on data, you can ensure that your business remains relevant and competitive in a rapidly evolving market. With a solid foundation built on research, your AI-driven venture will be well positioned for success in a landscape that is both exciting and full of possibilities. With the stage set for your service-based business, it's crucial to focus on building strong client relationships. Engage with potential clients through various channels, such as social media, email, or even networking events. Consider offering free initial consultations or valuable resources that demonstrate your expertise and willingness to help. This approach will establish rapport and encourage trust, making clients more likely to choose your services when they're ready to invest. Additionally, leverage client testimonials and success stories to showcase the effectiveness of your solutions. Building a strong portfolio and a reputation as a reliable provider can significantly enhance your business's growth potential and invite repeat business as clients recognize the value you deliver. As you continue to refine your service offerings, it's equally important to develop your brand presence across different platforms. Establishing a cohesive online identity not only makes you recognizable but also builds credibility among potential clients. Use social media channels to share your insights, success stories, and AI-related tips that resonate with your target audience. Regular engagement with followers will foster a community feel, encouraging conversations and collaboration that can ultimately lead to new business opportunities. Moreover, consider starting a newsletter where you provide exclusive content, updates, and industry news, keeping your audience informed and engaged with your ongoing journey in the AI landscape. In exploring the landscape of AI-driven income streams, it's important to embrace the experimentation that leads to innovation. One effective way to ensure your approach is viable is through clear tracking of your progress and finances. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to monitor your web traffic and audience behavior on your blog or YouTube channel. This data will reveal what content resonates best, guiding your future topics and offerings. By consciously adapting your strategies in response to this feedback, you'll not only refine your methods but also build a more engaged audience that feels invested in your journey. Ultimately, taking these steps ensures your efforts in the AI domain yield substantial and sustainable results. In addition to managing client relationships and crafting a strong brand presence, you should also focus on establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn to share your experiences, insights, and success stories regarding AI tools and their applications. Regularly publishing informative posts or articles can position you as a thought leader while attracting potential clients who value your expertise. Furthermore, participating in online forums and discussion groups related to your industry allows for networking and the exchange of ideas, further expanding your reach and influence. As you build your reputation, you will find new opportunities and partnerships that can enrich your AI-driven business journey. To further ensure your business thrives, consider developing additional offerings that complement your primary services. For instance, if you specialize in social media management, you could expand to include content creation, analytics reporting, and even training sessions for your clients. Diversifying your services not only meets the varying needs of your clients but also creates multiple streams of income. This strategic approach allows you to capitalize on the relationships you've built while driving growth and retaining clients who appreciate the comprehensive solutions you provide. As your reputation solidifies and your client base grows, you'll be ready to explore new avenues and refine your services to maintain a competitive edge. When considering the next steps, remember that consistency is key. Regularly updating your blog or YouTube channel with fresh, valuable content not only keeps your audience engaged but also signals to search engines that your platform is active. Schedule a content calendar to help streamline your posting process. This will ensure you stick to a routine while giving you the opportunity to explore trending topics or themes that resonate with your audience. Engaging with your audience through comments, polls, or social media platforms helps build a community around your brand, fostering loyalty and trust that leads to long-term success. Every interaction is a chance to learn more about your audience's preferences and fine-tune your content, ultimately positioning you as their go-to source for information in your chosen niche. As you implement these strategies, your AI-powered endeavors will not only grow but also evolve seamlessly with the ever-changing landscape of digital content creation. In addition, consider focusing on effective branding for your AI-driven business. A strong brand identity not only communicates your values and mission but also resonates with your target audience. With the ever-evolving capabilities of AI, taking action today is crucial. Those who embrace these tools now will have a distinct advantage as the landscape changes. Make the leap, explore your options, and watch as your AI-powered income streams flourish in 2025 and beyond.